Hello, Mr. Klein. This is Josh at Encore Mustang Parts. I wanted to thank you for your purchase and take some time to show you what I'm sending your way. These are grade A 91, 93 driver and passenger splash guards. This one here is the driver's side. It's actually a Ford replacement part, so it's going to have less miles on it than any original used one. That's the sticker for where it was shipped out to a dealership. No cracks, no tire rub marks, no abused tabs. This one is in excellent condition. There's the 91 part number. I'm speechless. It's really extremely nice. And again, that's the driver's side. Onto the passenger side, surprisingly just as nice. No tire rub, a little bit of some overspray, but no cracks, no rips. A very small amount of rim mark right here, very small. I missed it my first inspection around. That's how minuscule that is. Here again is the 91 part number. This is underneath the vehicle here where it covers the bottom of the fender. But these are I was surprised to find these two in this good a condition, honestly. For safety reasons, told you I'd like to pack them separately. For savings reasons, you're gonna get these together in the same box. So just wanted to show them to you before I put them away, and say thanks again. And there'll be a tracking number uploading soon.